Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you all how I made this delicious Nigerian Egusi soup with bitter leaf. Please kindly keep watching, okay? So into a bowl I'm going to be adding my egusi. So after adding the egusi into the bowl, I'm going to add in the meat stock. So after adding it, I'm going to mix this all together. Then I'm going to set it aside. And if today is your first time on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video, and also like the video and drop me a nice comment. And to my returning subscribers, thank you all. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I really do appreciate you all. Please don't forget to like this video and drop me a comment. So into a clean pot, I added my palm oil. I'll allow that to hot. Then I'll go in with my diced onions. Then I will saute that for a few minutes. Then I will go in with the minced egusi. So I'm going to add the egusi into the pot. So I'm going to be frying the egusi for 8 to 10 minutes. So at this point, I'm just going to stir the egusi because I don't want it to get burnt. It has to be regular stirring. Then after that, I will cover it to cook. So this is what I'm going to be working with. The egusi is nicely fried. So the next thing is to go in with my seasoning and salt. Then my chili powder, that's grounded pepper. Then I'm going to stir everything together. So at this point, I'm going to add some water. Then I will stir this up and allow it to start cooking. So you can see how the soup is coming together already. So I'm going to stir. So when I'm done stirring all this together, I will start by adding my protein. So I already cooked the protein. I'm using mackerel fish and beef, then dry fish. So I'm going to introduce all the protein into the soup. Then I will stir everything together until they are nicely combined. So the next thing I added was crayfish powder. Guys, there's no egusi without crayfish. So I added the crayfish powder, then I'm going to stir together. So the next thing, I went in with a little water. So I'm going to mix this all together. So it's time to add in the washed bitter leaf. I added the washed bitter leaf. Then after adding it, I'm going to cover this to cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Guys, look at that. This egusi soup was so delicious. So this was about 5 minutes. Then I'm going to stir everything together. And guys, this soup was so delicious. What will you be eating this with? Are you going to be eating this with eba, pounded yam, fufu, with banku, or semo? What will you be eating this with? But I ate mine with eba and it was so yummy, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, thank you and I appreciate you all. To my OGs, my returning subscribers, I really do appreciate you guys. Please keep watching, keep subscribing, keep liking. Thank you all so much, and I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye for now. Bye guys.